just one click you can remove its image background. Just in PC, launch this Paint app. Okay, and go to File, import to Canva from file stores, and select the file. Let's say I select this file, open this file, zoom out. Okay, you can see this image. And just removing the background, you go to these tools. Okay, remove background, just click one click and this will be remove background for you. Here you can see this clearly. Okay, just save it, go to file and save as. I am saving png. Let's see name KK. Save. But the file is opening file. Here is file. Okay, this is good. I see it. Thank you.